Hey everybody, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke, and who doesn't love a good homemade biscuit? That's exactly what we're going to do today, and we're going to cook them on the grill, on the Kamado Joe with indirect heat in a cast iron. So just go ahead and follow the steps, keep watching the video, and you will see the end result. Spoiler alert, got it right here for you. Now that these are done, I'm going to go ahead. I've got some melted butter. Took just over a tablespoon of melted butter. And I'm going to go ahead and brush that on. Because, you know, biscuits and butter go hand in hand. It makes sense, right? Do you like butter on your biscuits? Go ahead and comment on that. Let me know. Because I know I sure do. Okay, I'll let them sit like that for a minute or two and I'll serve them up. Thanks for making it to the end of the video here. So what we're gonna do now is try one of these biscuits. Let's take this one. Look at that. Look at that flaky goodness. Go ahead and crack that open, just like that. Normally I would butter the inside, but I'm a little impatient. Don't wanna go inside and eat it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite right now. Just kidding, guys. I didn't pass out, but I really felt like I wanted to pass out. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching and coming back for more.